Hello.
Yeah, hi ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, Rakesh. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, ma'am. Thanks. And how are you?
All right. I'm good as well. Thank you. I'm guessing this is our first session together.
Yes, yeah. It is a first session with you, ma'am.
All right. So, can I know a little bit about you?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. My name is Rakesh Upadhyay, and I'm from Uttarakhand, but I'm in Delhi now. I have been living Delhi in 2016.
Since 2016, you've been living.
Since 2016, I have been here. So
Okay.
now I'm working here too. I'm working in IT recruitment, ma'am.
All right. You're working in IT recruitment. So,
Yes.
what exactly do you do in that
Sorry,
job?
sorry, ma'am.
What exactly do you do in that job?
Ma'am, we just help the company to find the right candidate. So basically, I am from IT background, you can say, ma'am. We hire the candidate only from IT, like who
Okay.
is working as a software developer, testing like that.
All right. All
Yes,
right. So, you help companies find.
the candidate. Yes.
All right. Okay, great. And where do you live in Delhi?
I mean, have you heard Lakshmi Nagar, ma'am?
Not exactly. Which
Yeah,
side?
it is like near to Anand Bihar. It's is Delhi.
East Delhi. Okay. I've
Yes.
not heard of it. Okay.
And where are you from, ma'am?
I'm from Indore.
Indore.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
okay. It is
but
a
I
most
also live in Delhi. It's for my college. So I've been living in Delhi for the last 1 year almost. It will be 1 year in February. So yeah.
okay. Like education purpose or
Yes.
what?
Yes. College for my college.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. I
Yeah,
studied. Sorry.
I know only thing about Indore only like I think it is a cleaner city, na? Indore.
It's the cleanest city. Yeah.
Yes. I
Yeah.
know only one thing.
That's why whenever I go to Delhi, I miss Indore so much because it's
Yes.
quite opposite.
It is the
But
same thing with us also, ma'am. I'm from Uttarakhand, so it is like similar like that. But
yeah,
we can't say it is a cleaner city, but it is a natural wise is too good.
right.
Yes.
Yeah, I've never been to Uttarakhand. I do want to go to Uttarakhand.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
So yeah, I study in the Delhi University, so that's why I have to live in Delhi because of that for my
Mhm.
college. But yeah, I'll graduate in May, so hopefully after that, I'll come back to Indore for a couple of months, hopefully.
Okay. Right. So now you are in Delhi or ma'am, you are in Indore now?
Right now, I'm in Indore because I'll be leaving for Delhi the day after tomorrow because my college begins Monday.
Okay. Got it, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. All right. So, may I ask you, Rakesh? First of all, please call me Hridhima. Please don't call me ma'am. I'm like very younger to you, so it's just
Yeah,
makes
ma'am. The thing is, na, it's my habitual now. You can say whenever
Hridhima.
I am speaking to someone, so I don't know how can I refuse this word. Yeah, so it's better for me if I say you by your ma'am like that.
Call me ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Fair enough. All right. So, what exactly are you doing on Clapingo? Like, why do you want to work on your English?
Yeah, ma'am. The thing is, I am working in IT recruitment now. So here, in daily basis, I need to talk with people or need to talk with candidate. So while talking to them, I'm facing a problem, or maybe sometime like I'm when I talk to client. So at the time, I also stuck somewhere, or I feel nervous like that. So only we can say that reason is behind it only in English. So I just want to improve my English. So maybe I can improve more, or I will not hesitate while speaking. So, and there are a lot of other reason, ma'am, also because English is too popular now. It is if you know English, so your your image would be very good in anywhere. You can make your own image, own identity if you go somewhere. So there are a lot of reason, ma'am. So that is the reasons I am here, and I heard about Clapingo. So we can discuss one to one here. So yeah, I like this one where we can make our own environment. We can get motivate from here.
Right. You get motivated from here. Okay.
Yes, yes.
I agree. English is now considered as a bar for I don't know, knowledge. People think if you know English, then you're automatically smart, which is stupid because there is no connection. But that
Yes, yes.
okay, yeah. I agree. That's okay. So you want to work on your communication skills for your career.
Right, right, ma'am.
All right,
It's
fair
too
enough.
important for me, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. So we'll begin with your session notes, but before that, we'll do an extempore. Are you aware of this word?
Sorry, ma'am, which word?
Extempore.
Sampri, no, no. Okay.
Okay. So it's written as extempore, but it's pronounced as extempore.
Extempore. What is the meaning of this word, ma'am?
Okay, the meaning of this word is extempore is when you're given a topic and you have to speak on it without preparation. So since you want
Yeah.
to work on your communication skills, this will help you think on your feet. So I'll give you a topic and you have to speak on it for at least 2 minutes.
Yeah,
So
sure, sure, ma'am.
for you is describe your work routine. What does a typical day at work for you look like?
Ma'am, sorry, can you repeat again?
No worries. Your work routine, your routine at work. What does your typical day at work look like? What do you do?
You want to know my routine, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So I got up
Okay.
7
So
o'clock in.
one thing, whenever you're describing me your routine, it is something that you do every day, right? So
Yeah.
you always use simple present tense. Simple present tense is used for things which generally happen.
Okay,
They
got
happen
it,
every day.
ma'am.
For example, the sun rises in the east, or I take Clapingo sessions every day.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
I got it, ma'am. Yeah. I get usually I get 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I just do some yoga, or nowadays I'm also doing meditations, or after completing this, I pray to God, and yeah, then I get ready to office, and I reach office around 9:30 or 10 o'clock something. I Then I start my work, and I came back around 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock
I
or
come back.
6:30. Sorry.
I come back.
Yeah, I come back around 6 o'clock or 6:30 sometime, and yeah, I take my dinner around 8 o'clock. Then I take session in Clapingo between, usually I take a section between 8 to 10 or sometime 11 o'clock, and 11 to 12 I watch some video on YouTube, some motivational video, or sometime some different thing, or yeah, and 12 o'clock I again sleep.
Okay, so you said you take sessions between 8 to 10, but it's 6:50 right now.
Yeah, today, ma'am, I'm not able to get the timetable, so that is the reasons I booked. Like it's too tough to book the session here, ma'am. Whenever we search, our time slot is too difficult to book. So yeah, today I only book at 6 o'clock because today is my work from home. So it is not a big deal for me. Today I can manage, but usually I take between 8 to 11, ma'am.
No, I agree. It's a problem for a lot of people here. Actually, the traffic is so much. Like there are
Right.
so many users here. I would know I take sessions from 5 to 7. And if I begin at Monday, my sessions till Thursday are already booked. So it's like
Yes.
always book packed.
That is the reason. One, your week will complete. You have to plan like 1 week before to when you will be available. So maybe at the time you will be not available, then your session will come in your backlog. You can't take that week. only you can take only two or one if you cancel any session.
Yeah.
So so there are a lot of things also they have.
Yeah. And actually, the most traffic is from 5 to 9. Okay, so I would suggest you take any time apart from 5 to 9, because the
Yes.
Clapingo team also keeps telling us to add more slots because they're like, there's so much traffic, you guys need to.
Mhm.
So, yeah, I get it.
I can understand, ma'am, right? But
Yeah.
yeah, every time like 5 to 9 is too difficult to manage every people.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, our topic for today is risk. So, do you think you're a risk taker?
Yeah, ma'am. I don't think I'm a risk taker, but yeah, in future I want to take a risk a lot. But now I'm bounded to I'm bounded something, so I can't take a risk. But yeah, in future I will surely take some risk. I'm not a risk taker, ma'am.
Okay. But why
Yes.
do you want to take risks in future?
Yeah, I just want to open my own business. So for that, I need a lot of courage because I need to I need to leave my job, or because I don't have that much type of money to maybe I'm living in Delhi now, so there are a lot of convents, or it's too expensive city, ma'am, you can say. So here you need it is too tough to survive here. So I just need to yeah, I needed some backup also. So for that, I just want to take risk for that my own business. Yeah, so it will take time, ma'am, but
Yeah, no, I agree. Delhi is very expensive.
right.
Whenever I'm living in Delhi, whenever I come back to Indore, it's such a relief because here at least I can eat in restaurants without, you know, paying away my life savings. In Delhi, it's like,
Right.
you go to a restaurant, just telling you, whenever I go out with my friends, it's like we get only 3-4 bites to eat in a restaurant, and the bill
Right.
and the bill is like 300 per person. So then,
Right.
oh,
Because
it's
you can't go every day. Sometimes you need to manage something. Yeah, it's
yeah,
too expensive here.
exactly. So, what do you think are the advantages of taking a risk?
Ma'am, there are a lot of advantage when you take a risk. So first thing, when you take a risk, so you can get your own ability, ki what you can do, or maybe you don't know about yourself. Maybe if you want to do something, so you have taken a risk and you get success in that field. So the advantage of that thing, so you can get to know about yourself, or that process. It's too difficult for if you go through that process, so you can learn a lot of things from here.
Okay, yeah. So that's a great point. You discover new things about yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Rakesh, we'll wrap up a session here because I also have to give you my feedback and it's almost time.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
first of all, try to eliminate Hindi. Whenever you're speaking in English, I noticed you use like key or something like that.
Yeah,
It's a
ma'am.
very common mistake. But try to remove Hindi from your mind at all whenever you're speaking in English. Don't
Yes.
translate in your mind. I know it will take some work initially, but you have to take conscious efforts that you're not thinking in Hindi whenever you're speaking in English. Try to think in English.
Yeah, right, ma'am. Sure.
And as you mentioned about your communication skills, I feel like you're already a good speaker. We had such a good conversation. You answered all my questions. Yes, you need to work on some of the minor grammatical mistakes and vocabulary also, but
Right.
that will come with practice. So if you take these sessions like with consistency, you will be able to overcome that. Apart from that, if you have time, I don't know how busy you are generally, but like 20 to 30 minutes, if you can devote to reading. I always suggest reading because reading has
Right.
me a lot. So I'm speaking from personal experience.
Yeah,
Any
ma'am. It's work.
fiction books or newspaper articles, I don't know, whatever works for you. If you're not a reader, you can go for podcasts. I don't listen to podcasts, but podcasts also help. So any English podcast you can listen to. So whenever you're reading, you can see what vocabulary they use, what grammar, tenses, sentence structuring, everything you'll improve on. So
Right, ma'am.
these sessions and both are very important. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
sure, ma'am. Sure,
anything,
ma'am. Thank you so much.
any question, anything else before we leave?
I just want to know, ma'am. I just want to use one sentence ki,
Again,
in uh, मुझे मतलब बात in अपने I use bounded like that. So can I use some different word here? Bounded it is a correct word कि
bound.
मैं बंध चुका हूँ इन सारी चीजों में something.
Okay, I'm tangled up. You can say.
Okay.
Yeah, bounded is not it. It's bound. I'm bound by these things, but better is I'm tangled up. I'm tangled up in my work. I'm always so busy. That's how
Okay,
it
got it, got it. That's it, ma'am. Yeah. So I
exactly.
want to use some vocab there. I couldn't find right word at the time.
I'm glad you asked.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much. Bye
yeah.
bye.
Thank you. Bye.